Hi children, we are meeting again. I can remember in my last lesson we did indices and we came up to multiplication of indices. We came across something like this: 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 4. That is equal to now. What we do is we learn that when we multiply the indices, but we add the indices when we multiply. So this is 3 to the power of 6. And if you want to find the value of 3 to the power of 6, we can write like this: 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Here 3 is a 9, here 9, here also 9. So 9 and the 81. 81 into 9, 9, 720. So this is equal to 729. So what we should know here is that when we are multiplying, we add the powers. So this we did in the last lesson. Now, so we are adding the powers when we are multiplying. When we are dividing, we should subtract the powers opposite. Now, for example, 5 to the power of 3 divided by 5 to the power of 2. So that is 5 to the power of 3 upon 5 to the power of 2. So when we are dividing, we subtract the powers. Here power is 3, power is 2. When you subtract 3 from 2 from 3, you get 5 to the power of 1. That is equal to 5. Same way, we have 8 to the power of 7 divided by 8 to the power of 3. We can do like this also. We can go on multiply 7 times divided by 8 to the power of 3. A into A. So now we can go on cancelling here. Finally, we are left with 8 to the power of 4. 8 to the power. How did we get 8 to the power of 4? We subtract the powers. 7 minus 3 is 4. So the rule is like this. So when you are multiplying, children, we add the powers. So here 3 square into 3 to the power of 4 is 3 to the power of 6. Here we can find the value. Here also 5 to the power of 3. Here we are dividing. When we are dividing, we subtract the powers. How 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 2, then we dividing, subtract the power, 3 take to 1. Here 8 to the power of 7, 8 to the power of 3. We can write it like this and find out the answer. So it comes to 8 to the power of 4, 7 minus 3, 4. We will take some more sums. X to the power of 9 divided by x squared. That is equal to x to the power of 9 take to 7. We will take another example. 2x to the power of 4 upon x to the power of 3. Now here we have a number here. So this number and 2x, so we have to subtract only 4 and 3. X to the power of 4, x to the power of 3. So when you simplify x to the power of 4, x to the power of 3, it becomes x. So answer will be 2x. We subtract 4 and 4, from 4 we subtract 3 and we get 2x. Look at this one. 4p to the power of 6, 2p to the power of 3. Look at this one. Here we have 4 and 2. We can cancel this 4 and 2. So 2 times 1 here and 2 times 2. And when you simplify p to the power of 6 and p to the power of 3, we get the answer 2p to the power of 3. 6 take this 3. We will take another example. 10m squared upon 2m squared. Here we have 10m squared and 2m squared also. So m square and m square can get cancelled. So we are left with 10 and 2. So 10 and 2 we can cancel again 5. So the final answer will be 5. M is getting cancelled. We will take another example. X cubed into x to the power of 4 divided by x squared. So now what we do is, best thing is to simplify the numerator. So when you simplify the numerator, we will get x to the power of 7 upon x squared. So final answer will be x to the power of 5. Don't take it to 5. We will take another example. Look, x to the power of 5, x squared, 2x to the power of 6. Here, bottom we have denominator x to the power of 5, x to the power of 7. So best thing is to simplify the numerator and denominator separately. So here we have whole number 2. So x to the power of 5, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 6. So 5 and 2, 7 1 is 13. So x to the power of 13 upon x to the power of 7. So final answer will be 2 x to the power of 13 take as 7, 6, 2 x to the power of 6. So we'll take one more example. Divided by n squared. How to do this? N to the power of 6 divided by n squared into n to the power of 3 and it is in bracket. So what we should do is we write like this. When n we write in the numerator n square of 6. Denominator we write n squared into n to the power of 3. And that is equal to n to the power of 6 divided by n to the power of 5. That is equal to n to the power of 1. That we don't write the 1, so it is equal to n. One more example we will take. Look at this. Here we are having P and Q, two different items. So we can't join those two together. So we can't multiply. We have to keep P separately and Q separately. So but we can multiply the numbers. 2 into 2, 4. Numerator will be 4. P to the power of 5. Q squared upon PQ. So that is equal to numerator 4 number is there. Then P to the power of 5 and P we can simplify. How? By dividing we have to subtract the powers. So 5 take a 1, 4. So P to the power of 4. And here Q squared and Q. So we can simplify and it will be 2. Q. P to the power of 1. So the answer for this will be 4 P to the power of 5 Q squared. So that's all for children today. Multiplication. I hope you understood the lesson. If you understood, please subscribe.